All right, so welcome to Revit 2027. I'm going to test the AI feature on Revit. So let's click on New here. So you can notice that the AI window shows up here on the right. Let's give it a simple task. You'll need to first click on Continue. I'm going to say, can you print Hello World in the Revit workspace as 3D model text? Okay, so I was not able to create a 3D text. So what I will do is I will create a wall here and I will ask it, can you create a wall schedule and calculate the total length. All right, so after about, I guess, 2 minutes or longer, it felt really long to create a schedule, which would have taken me about 10 seconds. And also to create the length is pretty fast. All you need to do is just go to schedules, right click on new schedule, select walls, select the type, select the length, click on OK. So now you see the length here. And then to create total length, you just go to fields again. And then select length here and click on calculate totals. So now you can see the total length. Now let's see what the AI has generated for us. So let's go to schedules here, open none, and you can notice this is what the AI generated for us. So let's double click to open it up. So it was able to create the schedule, but it was not able to total the length of the schedule. And it's just given us instructions on how to add a grand total for the length. So this is the initial phase of AI in Revit. Let's see how far AI in Revit is going to go. I hope you found this video useful. Also, if you like more such videos, please do subscribe and head to arcyan.com for more such content and courses. See you guys next video. Cheers.